Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm excited to share with you how to screen record for search-based videos on a MacBook. Let's dive right in. First, go to the Finder tab and then click on the Applications menu. Find and open the QuickTime Player application on your MacBook. Once QuickTime Player is open, right-click on it and select New Screen Recording. A small recording window will appear. Here, click the red Record button. If you choose to record a portion of the screen, drag to select the area you want to capture. Now, click the Start Recording button. Now, perform the action you want to record. To stop recording, click the Stop button in the menu bar. Your recording will automatically open in QuickTime Player. From here, you can preview your video, make basic edits, and save it to your desired location. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.